G'day, Jim here from Dave's Computer Tips with our weekly how-to roundup, where we just take you through a quick summary of all the articles that were published on the Dave's Computer Tips blog during the previous week. You'll find a link to Dave's Computer Tips blog in the description, along with links to all these articles. So here we go. We'll start off as usual with this excuse me, with the current giveaway. This is for website X5 Pro. We have 5 licenses to give away to 5 lucky winners. This would normally sell for around $220 US, but you have a chance to win one absolutely free by entering the contest. It's free to enter, cost absolutely nothing. Website X5 Pro is a website creation software. It makes it very, very simple for anybody to create their own website, with 150 plus customizable templates and wizards to take you through the whole process. Great bit of gear. So get your entries in for that one. Okay, we start off the week with an article from our esteemed Editor-in-Chief Richard Pedersen, and Richard explains a little bit of the history about Labor Day. Last Monday was Labor Day in the US, and Richard explains how that came about. We have a Labor Day here in Australia too. It's a public holiday, and it's always seemed ironic to me that on a day called Labor Day nobody actually goes to work. Okay, now we move on to Jimmy Canfield, the other Jim in the group, the other elder statesman, and Jimmy shows you how to add desktop stickers to Windows 11. Now this is, I believe, an upcoming feature that will be introduced in an update of Windows 11 shortly, but Jimmy's ahead of the game there. He's showing you how to enable those stickers right now. Then we have an article from yours truly. I've been writing about freeware for many, many years, and I decided to just collate all of the articles and give you links to all the best of articles that I've written over the years. You'll find best of free, or they're all free of course, best of password manager, best screen capture tool, lots and lots of goodies there to go through. Then we go to Terry's article on a YouTube error. Terry shows you how to fix this error, and including how to flush the DNS resolver cache. And if you're having problems with your YouTube videos, get your hands on that article. It'll probably help you out. Then back to yours truly again, and how to access System Restore. This is, Microsoft is shifting settings out of the control panel and into the settings app. I'm not happy with that. I prefer the control panel. But so if you're having trouble finding System Restore these days, check out this article, show you exactly how to get there. Then we have an article from our office expert, the lovely Carol, how to add icons in your documents. Great how-to guide there from Carol. Then back to Terry again, and Terry shows you how to remove apps from Facebook. So if you've accidentally or inadvertently downloaded an app, or even if you've downloaded an app deliberately and don't want it anymore, Terry will show you how to get rid of it. And then last but certainly not, well, penultimate actually, we have an article from Jason, our social media and mobile device expert, on how to manage TikTok notifications. Last but not least, we have our usual weekly roundup of giveaways, and this from Richard, and this includes all upcoming giveaways with dates. Good idea to read through. So if there's anything there that you're interested in, you can mark it in your calendar and make sure you don't miss out. Okay, oh, emails popping up down here. Look at that. That's very timely while I'm videoing. All right, that's the rundown for this week. Don't forget, folks, all of the links for these articles are in the description, as well as a link to Dave's Computer Tips blog. Stay safe and stay well. Cheers.